Okay, we'll continue again. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel. So we have successfully created the menus over here, and we have used the logos over here. We have made a dark and switch over here. So these are the posts. So I have already told that you have to add the category over here. So we are just customizing all the thing over here. So this is your home page. From here you can customize your home. So I'll move to the Jana dashboard. Okay, scroll down, click on the Jana option. We'll again move to the advertisement option. So I want some advertisement in my header option, so above the footer ad. Okay, so for that footer ad, so this is the header ad actually. So we'll click on the header ad. So we'll upload the file. So this will be in our heading. So save changes. So you can look here, will reload our site. So here you can say, so if you are unable to equalize this thing, then you have to move to the home page setting over here and logo, and you have to remove the margin over here. So we'll reduce the margin over here. Top margin as a 10 and down margin as a 21. Okay, all update. Let's make changes. So you can look, this thing is done. So just if you want to customize this thing, okay. So now just in a second you can look how beautiful we have created our site. So we'll move to the edit option over here, home page, general, so layout option. So did you see? And base sort, in base sort will style over here. So there is a primary color in slider category 1. Okay, we'll customize the category 1 option. Click on the style option, primary color we'll set as a red option over. Background color as a light dislike or green. Okay, we'll create as a green site, and secondary color as a black. This is your text color. So done and update. Now let's look, do we have got the change over here? Look, we'll keep these as a white over here, a little white over here, because this thing will okay and make beautiful site. Okay, you can add the background layout over here, so this look smart over here. Okay, now to write on the footer section, we'll move to the WordPress and just click on the wizard option in the appearance. So click on the wizard. So here you can click first footer column, so second column, third column. We have to create the 3 column over here. Just click on the first column and add over the text over. Okay, we'll add a text. Okay, done. So we will keep a title as a about us. Okay, write about this is my site. So you can write anything over here. Just click on the save option and you are done. Just reload your page. Now you can look, this is my site. So here this thing is done, and next will come here and third will come in here. Just go over there, in column again, add the text over here. So contact us, this is my phone number. I have randomly selected the phone number over here and just save. Now look, this is the phone number, or you can write over here. So we have successfully created your footer also. Okay, there are a lot of things to do with this thing. Okay, so we want to change the color of this home page, base sorts, blogs, nature. Okay, for that changing the color, we'll move to the dashboard over here, click on the Jana. Okay, now scroll down and you will see the background and styling. So just click on the styling option over here and second navigation menu. So I don't need anything in my heading, but I need something change in my navigation menu. So background color, so I want this blue. So just click on the themes option, click on the blue, and this type of blue I want this. So save changes. So now you look, so color gradient, background color I'll keep as a this light blue. Text color, so I want this as a white. So link color, so for that link color I'll click as a, I'll select some of the color over here. Okay, I'll click as green. Okay, so over mouse I want as a white. Main navigation border top color, so I keep as a black. So bottom color I don't need this. Just click on the shape change, and I have already told you if you just click here and make your shape change, then your site will be not changed. Okay, and you can directly see that our thing has been done. So just you have to scroll up here and you have to make a change over from here. Okay, so look here, this is the green and that background is blue. So when I over here, it is white. So I change that white in a red color. This red was to red color. Okay, and this was this to white. Shape changes. Now look, reload our site. I've already told that if you did that in shape change, then it will not shape. It go up over here and make a change over here. Now reload the other side. Look, this is the thing. Again, this is, I think this is the color that I wanted to change over here. I want this as this color. Did you see? Yes. So if you want to change the color of this one, or you want to reduce the size of this one, then you have to move to the theme option and we'll move to the Jana option. And when you scroll down over here, you can see a topography. So click on the topography, and that was a news tickle. So you will search about the news tickle option over here. So breaking news level. Okay, keep as a 20, keep as a 25, sorry 18, done, and shape changes. Just come up and make a changes and reload this site. Okay, you have increased this size over here. So for customizing of this color, you have to move to the your site and edit page, and this is your site. Just make a change over here, style, click on the primary color. First we have to check that what is this color for. So we'll tick the secondary color as a primary color as a this one. Okay, or we'll select as a purple. Okay, done, update. We'll again reload our site. Now we can see we have successfully changed this color also. Okay, the site is looking brilliant option over. So here is search option over here. Here you can see that the source menu is connected with this one. So if this one is red, then that will also be red over there. So if you want to increase the size of this navigation bar, so for that we will move to the themes option, go scroll down and again move to the topography. Now you will find the main navigation over here. So secondary submenu, and this is the main navigation. So keep the font as a 18 and save changes. Scroll up and make changes. So okay, look, your this text color has been successfully bigger. Okay, so in this way you can customize your thing. So if you want to customize more about your site, then you can consult me. If you need any things you want to customize your site for, actually worry about that on secondary main navigation. So here I haven't make a change in my navigation over here, so that the change I had made has been already gone. So this will as a red color, and I want a background color as a blue. Just over here, save a change. Now look, this is done. So here you can do anything you like, make your site as you want. How will add it? So I want next category over here, then I'll move to the, so now you can directly click on the edit page, or you can go to the WordPress and pages and home page and edit. Okay, so here you can highlight it next section over here. I want this block with the number of posts over here, so we'll click on this option, and you can select any of the category over here. So I have no more posted in this thing, so I'm not selecting the category, and we'll publish this thing. So for that, after styling, we'll create the background color as a little white over here, secondary color as a black, and this one also as a black. So we'll save the change, update. Now we'll reload our site. Okay, done. I will see over here we have added a blog title over here successfully. Done. So in this way you can customize your thing. So there are a lot of things you can customize over here. So what do you want to add it in your site? Just you can DM me, I'll provide your tutorial for you, or you can just add easily by yourself. So you can add additional CSS in your site and many more. So this is the thing that I want to teach you for. So recently I had made a site over here. You can choose, look over there, see the same theme I have used over here. So using this theme, look, this is the site. So you can look here. So these things you can made from this site. So if you have any confusion regarding this, please contact me in Instagram.